Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook profile lock option. To begin, you need to make sure that you are in the country where Facebook does allow it. A list of the countries is currently here, so we can see it's only available in Afghanistan, Australia, Egypt, India, Iraq, Morocco, Myanmar, New Zealand, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Turkey, the UAE, and Ukraine. So if you don't live in any of these countries, you shouldn't have the lock option. If you are in one of these countries and you still do not have the lock option, simply head over to Facebook, click on your profile, and click Help and Support, Report a Problem. Then click on Something Went Wrong, click Include in Report, and then from here you can choose the area, so in this case you would choose your profile. Then on Details, type in that you tried to activate the lock option, however you don't have it available, and then add a screenshot if you would like, and then click on Submit. And then from there, Facebook should respond within the next few working days, and they should come with a resolution for your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.